Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC channel. Getting ready for a maiden flight of the Blade 70S mini helicopter. I've successfully bound the transmitter. It took a try or two, but not a problem. So now, back to the instructions for a second. There is a throttle hold or throttle lock. Okay, the model has a safety lock which disables the throttle both at initial startup and whenever the model does not receive any throttle input for greater than 10 seconds. The blue LED on the aircraft will blink slowly to indicate that the throttle is locked, which it is doing right now. It's on the right hand side, it's blinking slowly. To unlock the throttle, fully lower the throttle stick, push the rudder control fully to the right and hold for 3 seconds. So the stick is down, now hold to the right. And it looks like we're unlocked. Yep, I have throttle. So, up and away. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's on the floor right here. Angle the camera down a little bit. There you go. Looks kind of small. I unlocked it. I let it lock again. That's a nice feature. Okay, blades are spinning. Oops. It seemed like something was backwards. Okay. Unlock the throttle. Okay, it's rotating a little bit. Okay, that didn't go as planned either. Let's see if we can get used to these controls. Figure out what does what slowly. Okay. Unlock. Okay. Get some rotor going. See why they provide you extra rotors, and that's why I covered the TV with a blanket. Did not want to damage the television. Let's give that another try. Okay, throttle down and hold to the right to unlock. figure out which one rotates. Let's just leave that spooling for a second. I might as well not waste the battery. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Okay, the rudder rotates it. Yeah, got that. Forward stick pushes forward just like an airplane. Left and right, bank angles left and right. Okay. Let's try taking off from altitude. Okay, probably got it unlocked. Okay, it seems to be. Try giving it a little trim that way so it doesn't bank to the right. That's what it seemed like it was doing. Gave it a few clicks. Okay, try unlocking the throttle again. Nope. I can see how some people would get frustrated, but you definitely just need to take your time with it. It is a very small flying machine. Ooh. Get ready to chop throttle as soon as you ding something, because that'll just make more damage potentially. Well, that was a better flight. Slowly but surely, I'm getting it trimmed. Okay, let's unlock throttle again. Seems like the best thing to do is just kind of punch it into the air, get it off the ground, and then, okay, so it's rotating. Oops. Should have given it altitude and gotten it out of there. Okay, so if you're learning to fly one of these things, the first thing you want to do is kind of try to trim it out. So figure out, is it rotating it? Is it banking to one side, or is it trying to go forward or backward? And work the trim tabs. Also, if you're trying to get it up in the air gingerly, it wants to rotate, and that can throw you off right there. It'll settle once it's in the air. So the first thing you really want to do is just kind of, you don't want to slam it into the air because you'll hit the ceiling, I'm sure, because I'm only using like a quarter to half throttle. But you want to kind of punch it off the ground, bump it into the air, and then kind of figure things out from there. So that was a better flight. I got it over my head and I couldn't see where it was, what its attitude was. This thing is a lot of fun. I could see spending hours with this thing and just buzzing around. And once you get good with it, it's going to be really neat. My dog just came in. I'm surprised she hasn't decided it's something to chase, because she has a really heavy prey instinct. Okay. Like I said, the minute you get in trouble or touch something, chop that throttle, because it takes it a while to spin down all that momentum. Didn't get it out of that in time. So that's, you really want to get it into open air quickly. Bump it up off the ground, and then just try to stay in open air where you're not going to run into something or panic control because you're too close to something. Battery is done. Okay, well, successful first battery. I got a couple extra batteries on order. I'm going to definitely do more flying videos for you, and I'm going to take it outside sometime soon. It's pretty windless right now. The leaves are moving a little bit. We had some storms go through, so it's probably not a good time to go outdoors with it, but yeah, I will definitely get some outdoor footage for you as well. And based on first flight, this little thing is a gas. It's definitely, I wonder if I didn't try the dual controls. I wonder if I'm on the high-end control or not, because I never touched the switch. If if this is the low end of the control spectrum, wow, this thing would be incredibly maneuverable, because I'm being very, very ginger on the sticks. I mean, I'm just, just nudging the stick maybe a couple millimeters to one direction or the other, and it reacts immediately. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please click like, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and for visiting my channel.